YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I want to try something that I saw online. All I need to get is my torch, which is somewhere here. Let's see. Where did I put? Oh, there's my torch. Of course, all the way on the other side. Okay. So, basically, I ran into a problem. I guess at one point, the end of the throttle cable broke off. I'm gonna readjust you guys. So I'm gonna try something, like I said, that I saw online. I'm as close as I possibly can get. This lens doesn't go super close, so basically I have an old U-joint that I've been using for everything, because I got my tool stuck in here, actually. And I just saw something where, let's see, it's gonna stay. Okay, where you use a torch and some solder, which makes pretty perfect sense, but, and there we go. Unfortunately, this isn't the best torch for something like this, I don't think. Well, let's give this a try anyway. Oh. So we got some of it to stick. Not everything like we want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to go again. Relight the torch. There we go. Just a small flame. Again, I've never tried this before, so it's probably gonna look pretty crappy, but I wanted to give this a try. I've never done something like this before. And I was told to. You hit this if you don't. See? So I have this much. I wish I could get the rest like I need. Let's try it. Go a little deeper in. If I had one of my mini torches working, this would be way easier. Oh, fuck. not work again. Looks like we added a little to it though. Something is just not right. Let's start off with that. Let's see if that stays. We'll let that cool off. Because if that works, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over. Oh. Oh, okay, that worked. Now, we'll put it on its side. Get this little piece off on this side here. See if I can just lightly add to this. Let's see how that worked. Let that dry. Not dry. I keep saying dry for some reason. I have no idea why. Shoots, I mean. Alright, look at that. It's starting to look like something now. Alright. Let's see if we can... You know what? It might actually be perfect. I don't... Yeah. I'm just gonna cut off that little end piece. Yeah, look at that. Keep in mind, I I don't really need this to look perfect or anything like that. I just need something that would hold. And this looks like it's going to do the job, actually. Show you guys up close. Hope you can see that. Again, it's not perfect, but for free, you know, it's better than going out and getting a new end or something like that. And this, yeah, it's not going anywhere. If I'm turning red and this isn't going anywhere, this is definitely not going to go anywhere. I'm afraid to do it, but I might heat it up. Just to kind of move it around a little bit. There we go. Oh. There we go. Okay. It's like a perfect ball now.